My dear students, welcome back to your geography class. In this video, we will learn about rocks and minerals with its types. Rock is the hard material that makes up the earth's crust. Various combinations of minerals makes up of hundreds of different types of rocks. Rocks are made up of individual substances which are called minerals, found mostly in the solid state. Minerals are the natural inorganic substances which have definite chemical composition and physical properties. They are usually crystalline, but minerals are non-crystalline. There are some metallic minerals like copper, iron, gold, etc., and some are non-metallic minerals like gypsum, mica, etc. Minerals are very important for the development of humankind. We have three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Each rock is differentiated on the basis of its characteristics like size, color, and the texture. In order to understand the formation of these rocks, it is very important to know the definition of these types of rocks. The first is igneous rocks. Igneous meaning is resulting from or produced by the action of fire or resembling to fire. To understand it further, let's first understand the volcano. Inside the earth's core, there are large number of molten metals and minerals. These melt due to very high temperature inside the earth. This melted material is called magma. It puts a lot of pressure on the earth's surface. Sometimes earth's surface breaks and its magma comes out. When it comes out, it is called lava. Some of the magma again come out and it settles inside the earth. Whatever the magma cools inside under the surface of the earth changes into granite. It is a kind of igneous rocks. The lava which comes out and gets in touch with the air cools down faster. The cooled down lava forms the basalt rocks. These rocks are also called the igneous rocks. So we have two types of igneous rocks. Ones that form when the magma comes out, which are basalt, called extrusive rocks, and the other that forms the magma cools down under the surface, called the granite, also called intrusive rocks. The next we have the sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary means the material that settles to the bottom of the liquid. They are softer than the igneous rocks. They have horizontal layers arranged one by the other. Let's take an example by doing the activity to understand it. Take a glass of water, put some pebbles inside the glass. What you will see? You will see that the pebbles will settle down. These settle down material is called sediments. It is a perfect example. Sedimentary rocks are formed by the layers of sediment. Sediment is comprised of small part of rocks as well as dead animals or plants which are eroded by strong winds and a strong flow of water in glaciers and rivers. Most of these particles automatically reach the sea. These get deposited in the seabed as more and more of these particles settle on each other and compression happen. The sediments at the bottom changed into sedimentary rocks. The process takes thousands of years. Sedimentary rocks have very clearly different layers. These are known as bed or bedding planes. Limestone and chalk are two different kinds of sedimentary rocks. The type of sedimentary rock formed depends upon the sediments that they get compressed during the formation of the rocks. For example, limestone is formed by the compression of skeletons and shells of marine animals in the sea. Stone is formed by the compression of sand. It is also a sedimentary rock and is formed by the compression of dead trees and plants which are called fossils. The next we have metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic is derived from the word morph, which means to be changed or transformed. Yes, you understand right. Metamorphic are changed forms of igneous rocks or the sedimentary rocks. Metamorphic rocks are formed when other types of rocks are changed due to lot of heat and pressure. See in this picture, a lot of heat from molten magma and a lot of pressure from the upper layers is causing the flow of sedimentary rocks to change. Such rocks are formed when igneous rocks or sedimentary rocks lost their original properties. Slate and marble are two types of metamorphic rocks. Marble is formed when limestone, which is a sedimentary rock, comes under a lot of pressure from the above. Change of clay form the slate. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much.